Once upon a time, in a place very far from New York City, a place called Away, lived a curious little fellow named Rusty. Year after year, Rusty watched as more and more stuff arrived at Away. Where does all this stuff come from? He wondered, and why does it keep coming here? As Away got bigger and smellier, Rusty felt that he just couldn't live here anymore, surrounded by all this waste. He began to imagine a different world, one with zero waste. So one day, for the first time in his life, Rusty left Away. The first thing Rusty learned is that everything we buy, use, and eat starts from one place as part of the earth. These are our natural resources, the raw materials that make up our stuff. Like the aluminum in a soda can starts its journey by being dug deep out of the earth from a mine. The food we eat starts out being grown somewhere, like fruits and vegetables on a farm. We drill deep into the ground or ocean to get oil and gas. We use this to make the plastic for such things as plastic bags and yogurt cups. The paper in our books, folders, and pizza boxes starts its life as a tree. These raw materials are taken from the earth and transported to factories all around the world to be made into the stuff we use. From the factories, everything gets transported again to the store we buy it from, or the school where we use or eat it. Rusty began to realize just how much time, energy, and resources it takes to make and bring us all the stuff we use. And after all that, Rusty was shocked to see how everything was used just once and then thrown away into the trash bin. But how, he wondered, does all this waste get to Away? Everything we throw into the trash bin gets taken to the curb, where it's then picked up by trucks. These trucks then drive to places where all the waste is loaded onto new trucks, rail cars, or barges. It is then sent to states as far away as Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, and Virginia to finally arrive at stinky places called landfills. Landfills are big holes in the ground where all our waste that isn't recycled ends up. They are really bad for the environment, and it can take hundreds or even thousands of years for the waste there to decompose. So this was Away, Rusty thought. Just a big landfill? It didn't make any sense to him. All that energy, pollution, and resources just to use something once and then send it into a landfill forever. There had to be a better way, he thought. A greener and cleaner way. A way towards zero waste. To get there, Rusty learned that the first and best thing to do is to reduce. This means using things that are durable rather than disposable, like using reusable water bottles or durable grocery bags instead of plastic ones. When we reduce the amount of stuff we buy and use, the less waste we create. Next, he saw how he can reuse stuff. When we're done using something, we can find new and creative purposes for it, like making art from old materials or planter boxes from empty cartons. Every time we reuse something, it becomes a resource instead of waste, and we stop it from going to those landfills. And finally, Rusty learned that instead of throwing everything away into the same trash bin, we should sort things into recycling bins. That way, so much stuff like paper, plastic, glass, metal, and food can be broken down and used over and over again. Rusty began to see what was possible. He saw a world where nothing is wasted. A world where we reduce, reuse, and recycle every day and everywhere, and landfills like Away go away. A world with zero waste. And now, it's up to us to make this possibility a reality.